Hi, I'm Jim Ekins.
And I'm Cindy Busche.
And we are the co-coordinators for Idaho Project WET,
which stands for Water Education Today.
Project WET is an internationally acclaimed award-winning program that incorporates peer-reviewed curriculum with engaging hands-on activities to teach pre-K-12 students about water.
Project WET is supported in Idaho by an EPA Drinking Water State Revolving Fund, administered through Idaho Department of Environmental Quality, because it's critical to protect our sources of drinking water.
We welcome each of you to the Project WET program. Project WET's mission is advancing water education to understand global challenges and inspire local solutions.
Goal is to give you the background and training so that you can use Project WET in your classroom and can adapt many WET activities for virtual and distance teaching and learning. We hope that Project WET provides you with a wide range of resources and teaching tools related to water that you can use throughout your career.
Project WET started in 1984 with a series of activities developed by educators in North Dakota. There are approximately 65 U.S. host institutions or partner organizations with designated Project WET coordinators throughout all 50 states and territories. These coordinators work with more than 1,700 facilitators to train educators to teach about all aspects of water.
Stretching across 5 continents, the Project WET International Network includes education and environment ministries, NGOs, corporations, and international organizations.
With 64 interdisciplinary lessons on water, the Project WET Curriculum and Activity Guide 2.0 is the centerpiece of Project WET's comprehensive suite of water resources education materials.
The guide is correlated to national education standards, including Next Generation Science Standards and Common Core, as well as many state standards. The only way to get a copy of the guide is to take this workshop.
The guide is organized by 7 core literacy principles related to water. Number 1, water has unique physical and chemical characteristics.
Number 2, water is essential for all life to exist.
Number 3, water connects all Earth systems.
Number 4, water is a natural resource.
Number 5, water resources are managed.
Number 6, water resources exist within social constructs.
And number 7, water resources exist within cultural constructs. The activities in the Guide 2.0 are organized around these 7 principles. Each activity, in turn, is organized in a systematic way. There's a text box front and center of the first page of each activity that provides a quick summary. The left column on the first page of each activity provides additional information, including the age range, subject areas taught, duration, setting, skills, vocabulary, and charting the course with guidance for weaving multiple activities together into a continuous topical thread. Specific learning objectives and materials are listed below the summary text box.
Since you are experts in teaching and not necessarily in topics related to water, there's a robust background section to get you up to speed on the concepts taught by each activity. Then there are step-by-step descriptions of the activity from start to wrap-up. Each activity provides additional readings for you and also for your students. Assessment of the learning is built into each activity too. Finally, most activities include student copy pages that you can photocopy or print directly from the Project WET website. These pages provide a place for students to record their activity and display their work.
So that's it for now. We hope you enjoy the workshop. We think you will find this time well spent, and we know you will get some useful content and applications for use in your classroom.
If you already have your copy of the Project WET guide, we encourage you to explore the table of contents and all the pages with Roman numerals. If you don't have your copy of the guide, you will receive it later as a part of the Project WET workshop. Thanks too for the EPA Drinking Water State Revolving Fund, administered by the Idaho Department of Environmental Quality, for supporting Project WET's teaching about source water protection in Idaho.